Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account. Once signed in, open your browser and go straight to Sheets. Google.com or click the Google Apps grid in Chrome. Make sure you use a modern browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox for best compatibility. Click New to create a blank spreadsheet, or select an existing file from Drive to continue. This gets you into the Sheets editor immediately. Next, we'll set up offline access and extensions so you can work faster and safer. Once done with opening Sheets, enable offline access in Google Drive settings so you can edit without a network. This syncs changes when you reconnect. Install the Google Docs offline Chrome extension if prompted, and make sure Sheets shows the offline icon. Then add any add-ons you need: templates for budgeting, connectors for CSV imports, or macros for repetitive tasks. Take a moment to organize files into folders. This ensures faster load times and predictable autosave behavior when you return to the spreadsheet. Finish by confirming sharing permissions and autosave. Make sure the file shows last edit saved to Drive at the top right. If collaborators need access, use the Share button and set viewer, commenter, or editor roles accordingly. Once everything looks good, test a small edit while offline to confirm sync behavior. If something goes wrong, sync errors, blank sheets, sign out, clear your browser cache, then sign back in. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, restart the browser or try another supported browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.